and welcome to MTI-TV. Today we're talking about flooring installation tapes, and I'm joined by Jeff Johnson, our business manager for floor covering installation systems. Jeff, welcome, and how are you?
Thanks, Sam. I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. So let's talk about tape. Tell me about MAPEI Contact MRT and MAPEI Contact SRT. Jeff, I already know both of these double-sided tapes will save installers a ton of time, but can you explain to me which one should be used where and why?
Sure, Sam. To help select the best solution for the job, there are basically two questions to ask. Are you installing wood flooring, or will the installation require sound reduction? If the answer to either of those questions is yes, then MAPEI Contact SRT is the tape to choose.
SRT. Oh, sound reduction tape. I get it. And MRT stands for?
Moisture resistant tape. MAPEI Contact SRT is also moisture resistant. It has all the properties of MRT with the addition of sound reduction. Actually, these are both game changers in the sense that to apply, all you need is a flat, clean surface. It does not need to be profiled or porous. In fact, these tapes work best on smooth polished surfaces. The tapes are both unaffected by high moisture conditions in concrete and can be installed without prior moisture testing. This also means that you don't have to install any form of moisture mitigation system, which saves a ton of time and labor cost. Further, because they're both peel and stick double-sided tapes, they provide an instant bond that permits immediate foot traffic as well as immediate use of the room.
So there's no more waiting for glue to cure.
That's correct, Sam. Absolutely. With MAPEI Contact MRT and MAPEI Contact SRT, flooring installation times have been drastically reduced.
That's great. That means an installer can install a lot more units in a single day.
That's correct, yes. And the material is easy to work with. Both MAPEI Contact MRT and MAPEI Contact SRT come in convenient sizes and are offered in 3-inch, 6-inch, 12-inch, and 3-foot wide rolls, all 166 foot in length. This makes them perfect for uses like cove base, stair treads, stringers, transition pieces, and general flooring installation.
Okay, so you mentioned these tapes can both be applied to concrete substrates. Is there any other type of substrates you can apply them to?
Absolutely. They can be applied to cement and epoxy terrazzo, exterior grade plywood, soft leveling underlayments, patches, skim coats, and prime gypsum underlayments.
And what type of products can be installed on top of these tapes?
Well, MAPEI Contact MRT can be used to install vinyl sheet and tile, vinyl plank, cork flooring, and cork underlayments.
And MAPEI Contact SRT?
Nearly the same list, plus MAPEI Contact SRT can be used to install pre-finished wood flooring and bamboo.
Wow, that's a pretty long list. So these tapes are pretty aggressive, huh?
Yes, both of these tapes are very aggressive in terms of their tack and bond strength. Speaking from personal experience, I can tell you to avoid walking on the open tape surface during the installation process.
What? You got stuck?
Oh, like a fly in flypaper.
Oh no.
The worst part was I really liked those shoes. And the socks.
Wow. Well, that's a great tip. Thanks for letting us know that.
Sure. Installation of most flooring is pretty straightforward with either MAPEI Contact MRT or SRT. Simply pull back the release liner and install flooring into the open tape surface. MRT is clear, by the way, so you can put your layout lines on the floor first, cover with MRT, and when you peel back the release liner, you can see your layout lines. Installing wood flooring or anything with a tongue and groove type of assembly requires a little different installation practice. In this case, you would fold back the release liner, assemble the flooring on top, and then pull the release liner out from underneath. Kind of like pulling the tablecloth out from underneath the china.
That didn't work last time I tried it.
It takes a bit of a learning curve, but once you get the hang of it, you can go pretty fast. We have an installation video online. Check out the link in the description below this video.
Okay, is there anything else that I need to know?
Well, this is one of MAPEI's most sustainable products we offer. The cardboard core, the plastic release liner, and the packaging are all recyclable. Plus, there are no VOCs.
Wow, that's important. Also, I really like the idea I'm not getting any glue all over the top of my finished floor. Thanks, Jeff. You've given us a lot of information about these flooring installation tapes, and thanks for taking the time to walk us through the basics.
You're welcome, Sam. And I encourage anyone who needs more information to check out our installation video on YouTube or to drop by our website at www.mapei.com.
All right, well, that's a wrap. I'm Sam, this is Jeff for MTI-TV. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then make sure you don't miss the next episode by clicking on the bell icon down below. And thanks again for watching this edition of MTI-TV.